if you're worried about either your job or your housing situation because of a bankruptcy, let me help you understand what's going on and exactly how to deal with that. First of all, it is illegal for an employer to file or to fire you because of a bankruptcy. However, if you live in a state like Utah, where we are what you call an at-will state, it's going to be a real tough case for you to prove, because what you're going to have to do is, if they end up firing you, they have that right to fire you just because you're, I don't know, they can say why, and you know, it can be for any number of reasons, but that reason cannot be because you filed bankruptcy. So if they ever do that, then you've got a lawsuit on your hands and you've got a case, okay? So there's a fine line there, all right? You want to make sure, if you're in a situation where you've been walking the line, so to speak, and there's other reasons they might fire you, they could pick any one of those out of the hat and use that as the reason, okay? The biggest way this can impact somebody is if they have security clearance, okay, for their job, and it's required. So I'm going to tell you how to handle that. What you want to do is be upfront and honest and talk to your superiors way beforehand. When you know that things are going wrong, okay, go talk to them and explain it and say, hey, this is what I'm dealing with. I'm actually looking at filing a bankruptcy, but it's all under control, and here's what I've done, and here's the steps I've taken. That's going to go a long ways, okay, in being able to help you not suffer any consequences because of a bankruptcy, but they can't fire you because of it. Now, the other question was about housing, okay? Am I going to be kicked out or terminated or whatever? And again, this is illegal. They're not allowed to say, well, you can't rent here anymore because you filed a bankruptcy. They can, on the other hand, deny you credit. If you're applying to live in a place, they can say, no, you filed a bankruptcy, therefore that doesn't fit our requirement. And as long as they've been consistent in applying that across the board with everybody, then they're completely within their right to say, well, that doesn't fit our guidelines if you've had a bankruptcy. So, you know, it might complicate getting housing, but they can't kick you out because of it.